Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu states that he has heard talbiyah from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was pronouncing talbiyah while he had got his hair gelled. I am present, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. I am present. I am present. You have no partner. I am present. All praises, bounties, and sovereignty are unto you. You have no partner. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would not add anything to these sentences. Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu stated, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed 2 units at Zulhulayfa. Then when his she-camel stood erect carrying him beside the Zulhulayfa mosque, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam put on special garb pronouncing talbiyah comprising these sentences. Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu would pronounce talbiyah uttering the sentences of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and say, I am present. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I am present. I am present. I am present to obey you. All good is in your possession. I am present, and inclination as well as action are unto you. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2806.